Nice gallo.
It is strongly urged that you respect these safety
You
measures
and Clara,
established by the
go back to the
government.
hole you came from.
You wanna work with me here, come mierda?
Those farmers better
need
have
to
more
talk.
than
You do me a
rakes and
favor?
shovels.
It's game time, Danny.
That was some speed.
There's these farmers in Sombreado Gorge. They're super fans of La Moral. Actually, they're super fans of me. They were part of my fan club when I was on the national team. They tipped us off to this special convoy that always rolls through Schaub Pass. We put together a smash and grab attack plan, and I told my super fans to sit tight until they hear the word Knuckleball. Nobody knows what this fancy convoy is carrying, but we know it's valuable. Benitez always slams it with crazy security. 100 soldados. Danny, we need you to hit the convoy. I'm sure you can handle this all by yourself. But if you want some help, my people are pumped and ready to go. I'll keep tabs on the convoy and let you know when it's near the pass. Don't know about you, but I fucking love hitting convoys.
Hey, Danny. Buena. Listen up. Stay strong. That's a good horse.
Hey, Danny. You recruit those farmers yet to hit the pass? Remember, say the word Knuckleball.
Not yet. You think I can't do this on my own?
We need people to feel like they're part of this fight. They have the RPGs you need along with other badass shit. And remember, there's no I in team.
But there is an I in win.
Cool, cool. I guess everyone in El Este can go to the beach while you're overthrowing Castillo alone.
I'm kidding, Jonron. I'll think about recruiting your super fans.
Gracias.
Vamos.
¿Qué vuelta? Fucking Castillo.
¡Ya!
Fucking coconuts. Fucking Benitez.
Drop the coconuts. Knuckleball is a go.
Pinga. I thought this day would never come.
We need to piss off Benitez and spread...
Let me finish. ¿Qué bola? So, yeah.
We need to piss off Benitez and spread out her forces.
Music to my ears, guerrilla. See you at the pass.
I'll bring the road spikes.
Perfecto. We get to use them.
Easy now, easy.
Whoa now.
It is not the hill. What? The fuck?
Go.
What?
That's it. You're okay. Go!
You need us?
Does the word knuckleball mean anything to you?
It sure does. You want us at the pass, right?
Si. I'll meet you there.
You're the one who saved our people on that cargo ship, no?
That's me.
My cousin was one of them. Muchas gracias.
De nada. Let's go get this convoy.
I'll get my mortar.
Mortar time, compay!
If only someone could navigate these waters for you, for me, for Jara. Wait, Anton is at the helm, and no storm can ever bend his compass. Safe harbor. Thank you, Capitan Anton. No one can dock a ship like you. This message is approved by the Minister of Culture.
Come on. Be nice, horse. Easy. Grabbing a ride.
Keys are in the ignition. Don't wreck this one, okay?
Thank you.
Now the platform! I know! I'll be right there! Don't shoot me! Everyone to the drop! Protect the cargo! We have to secure the cargo! Don't let them near it! Binga! I'm still alive! Stop!
Pop it open.
Jackpot.